In this modern era, today's ultra-sophisticated equipment requires materials that provide optimal efficiency. For more than half a century, Sorel Forge has met the expectations of a demanding market by always being at the leading edge of the industry. Little surprise that Sorel Forge has placed itself into an enviable position amongst the highest-rated forges. Strategically located, Sorel Forge has access to the four corners of the world for the shipment of its products. Our growth strategy is based on combining our strengths to seek out new markets. Our high level of competitiveness and productivity places us in a position of choice amongst the top-level producers worldwide. At Sorel Forge, our constant preoccupation is to provide our international customers with superior quality steel forgings. We combine our strengths, craftsmanship, flexibility, and our integrated forge and state-of-the-art technology. Sorel Forge keeps forging ahead of its time. This is the reason why we are constantly ahead of our time. At Sorel Forge, quality is built into the finished product from the beginning to the end. Only premium quality raw materials are used. Bushing, shredding scrap, and structural plates are stored in our enclosed yard. Then the scrap is loaded in 30-ton capacity buckets. The selected scrap is then changed into the electric arc furnace, where it will be melted. At that point, we'll introduce the first additives in order to refine the quality of the steel. From then on, we'll work to meet the customer's requirements and specifications. The newly transformed material begins to take shape on its way to the highest level of quality. During this time, the tapping ladle will be preheated, an important operation before receiving the liquid steel. Once the desired temperature is reached, it will be put in place, ready to receive the steel. During this step, the first refining process is underway. At this point, a first wave of alloys is added. The steel, whether carbon or alloy, is taking on its essence. Sorel Forge's ultimate goal is to provide its customers with a high-quality product. Statistical process control is used to check and maintain production parameters. This type of quality control takes place at each step of the process, from order entry to final inspection. From the arc furnace, the steel is immediately transferred to the ladle melt station. Our operators ensure that all parameters established by our metallurgists are rigorously followed. Supported by a sophisticated computer system, our operators make certain that the right quantity of alloying elements is added. 3 electrodes maintain the precise temperature of the liquid bath. Gentle argon bubbling allows the flotation of the inclusions and brings them up to the synthetic slag. This slag also protects the steel from reoxidation. Oxygen control, which ensures the cleanliness of the steel, is put in place. A new test is being performed. The result allows for a precise calculation of additives to adjust the final chemistry. The fusion of all these elements allows the steel to reach the precise chemical composition based on the client's specifications. The ladle is transferred to the vacuum station as quickly as possible to minimize temperature losses. The pressure is then gradually reduced. With the help of a video camera located in the vessel lid, it is possible to control and adjust the argon flow rate. The hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen are then removed. The steel, having been extracted from its gaseous elements, goes for ingot teaming. Sorel Forge casts ingots of variable volume from 3 to 42 ton. Ingots of various configurations assure an optimal forge reduction ratio. The bottom pouring technique is used in order to maximize quality and the forge yield of the ingot. During teaming, argon shrouding is used to protect the steel from reoxidation. The ingot is now ready to be stripped from the mold in which it's solidified. Our own ingot production ensures that our forge shop can always count on the best raw materials available. Still at a high heat level, the ingot leaves the melt shop to be transferred into one of the numerous preheating furnaces. The loading capacity of our forge department is more than 800 tons. Thanks to the integration of our operations, we can minimize heat loss during these transfers. This energy efficiency results in considerable savings which are passed on to our customers. The constant addition of new equipment makes Sorel Forge one of this industry's world leaders. Our numerous forge furnaces allow strategic heating of the pieces to be forged in order to maximize the use of the presses. The ingots, having reached the required heat level of 2300 degrees Fahrenheit, are moved to the presses without delay. Our 5,000-ton press with its rail-mounted manipulator of 1,000 ton per meter capacity, a high-performance piece of equipment, is capable of forging ingots with a cross-section of more than 2,700 square inches. A high-pressure hydraulic system allows for speed and power on our two presses. We use wide-surface dies to ensure a high level of deformation, a very important parameter to achieve the highest quality standard. Sorel Forge is renowned for the excellence of its steel, used in the manufacturing of molds for the plastics injection industry. The mold steel produced by Sorel Forge is well known throughout the world for its essential qualities, a uniform microstructure, and constant hardness. At Sorel Forge, we also have a 2,000-ton press that can forge ingots up to 13 tons. The 40-ton per meter computer-assisted manipulator ensures a high level of accuracy, allowing for the rapid forging of more complex pieces with exceptional dexterity. Combined with a rotary table, the manipulator can operate autonomously, thus minimizing delays and heat loss. This press, same as the 5,000-ton one, is also equipped with a die magazine, a cutter, a flat die, as well as a V-die, allowing the forging of cylindrical, rectangular, or custom pieces according to drawings. The pieces then formed will transit toward the heat treatment department, where an impressive number of furnaces are waiting for parts that can measure up to 40 feet long. Our modern furnaces are equipped with intelligent controls that ensure precision, uniformity, and regularity of the heat treatments. Our technicians establish a heat treatment plan based on your needs. This way, they can meet the most demanding specifications of the industry. The versatility of our equipment allows for the annealing, normalizing, quenching, tempering, and stress relieving of parts. Each cycle is recorded for the statistical process control and future reference. The controlled agitation of water or polymer solution optimizes the quench and ensures excellent uniformity of the physical properties of the product. At Sorel Forge, quality is paramount. Our metallurgical engineers care. The micro-cleanliness of the steel is checked with a digital analyzer microscope, another way to guarantee the highest levels of quality. Our technicians carry out various mechanical tests. They perform tensile and impact tests, always within the statistical process control program, which ensures product consistency. Our machine shop has a vast array of equipment that allows working on a multitude of pieces. They are conventional and CNC lathes, boring and vertical lathes, milling machines, trepanning lathe. We can also machine blocks of large dimensions. The use of precise and proven operation methods guarantees consistent and uniform results. We can also machine pieces of 70-inch diameter up to 40 feet long, as well as discs of 102 inches in diameter. Our powerful and precise saws can cut pieces of exceptional dimensions up to 79 inches. Sorel Forge fully meets the requirements of its customers. We systematically inspect all pieces by way of ultrasonic inspection, dimensional inspection, and hardness testing. The outstanding quality of our steels is assured by rigorous controls at every step of the process. In a demonstration of confidence, we at Sorel Forge support our SF2000 mold steel with our material and labor warranty, your guarantee for unmatched quality. At Sorel Forge, we have the best combination, our employees and a solid expertise acquired since 1939. Sorel Forge. Customers always count on our exceptional know-how. Over 50 years of forging experience, coupled with our strong commitment to technology, have earned Sorel Forge an excellent reputation amongst the leaders in the open die forging industry. Our service center, located in Brampton, Ontario, can service our mold-making clients efficiently within a short time frame. In order to be able to satisfy our clients, a vast inventory of SF2000, SF5, and other steel for molds and dies are warehoused here, ready to be cut to the required dimensions. Our numerous quality saws will quickly and accurately cut large or small dimensions in the shortest possible time frame. Our sales staff provides personalized service and pays close attention to the progress of your orders until shipped. At Sorel Forge, we have the best combination, our employees and solid expertise acquired since 1939. Sorel Forge. Customers always count on our exceptional know-how. Over 50 years of forging experience, coupled with our strong commitment to technology, have earned Sorel Forge an excellent reputation amongst the leaders in the open die forging industry. Our strength? To satisfy even the most demanding customers. Our goal? To always deliver the best forged products. At Sorel Forge, our pride guarantees your satisfaction.